Did you serve in the US military or armed forces of a country that has a strong diplomatic relationship with the Philippines? If yes, listen closely because this video is definitely for you. Let's talk specifically to US veterans and to those who serve in countries like Australia, the UK, Canada, and other countries that maintains solid diplomatic relationship with the Philippines. Here is the big question. How does your military service benefit you when applying for the SRV or retirement visa? You actually get two huge advantages. First, a much lower visa deposit. You are only required to put in 1,500 US dollars visa deposit, not the usual 30,000 US dollars or 15,000 US dollars as required with other applicants. And that's a massive savings. Second, lower annual or ID renewal fees. Same age bracket, the same benefits. Instead of paying 360 US dollars annually, you then only pay 100 US dollars. And that's a good deal year after year. So what do you think? A pretty good deal, right? Share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear other veterans and retirees exploring the Philippines. And if you need more information about the SRV or retirement visa, or the different visa categories available, we're just a call away. This is JRC, your trusted go-to guy for visas and real estate in the Philippines. Remember, we are always here looking after you. Do subscribe and follow for more information. I'll see you in the Philippines and see you on our next video.